Hey there, welcome back to our video. What if I come up to you and tell you that there might be unauthorized services running on your PC, or rogue devices on your network, or even malware affecting your system? What will you do if you don't know how to check for these issues? Let me show you what you need to do in these situations. First, open Command Prompt and type the following commands. Checking for unauthorized services. SC query. This command lists all the services running on your PC. Look for any suspicious or unknown services that might indicate a malware infection. Detecting rogue devices performing ARP spoofing attacks. ARPA. This command displays the ARP table, showing all devices connected to your network. Look for any unfamiliar IP addresses that could be performing ARP spoofing attacks. Performing regular disk checks to ensure file system integrity. EHKDSK running. This command checks the integrity of your disk and fixes any file system errors. It's a good habit to run this regularly to keep your system healthy. Flushing the DNS cache after detecting and removing DNS hijacking malware. ipconfig flush DNS. This command clears the DNS cache, which can help prevent issues after removing DNS hijacking malware. It's a simple but effective way to ensure your DNS settings are clean. Gaining detailed information about running processes for further analysis. WMEC process list brief. This command provides a detailed list of all running processes, allowing you to analyze and identify any suspicious activities. Scanning for and removing prevalent malware. MRT. This command runs the Microsoft Malicious Software Removal tool, which scans your PC for prevalent malware and removes it. It's a handy tool to keep your system safe. By using these commands, you can proactively monitor and protect your PC from various threats. Stay safe and keep your system secure. Thanks for watching.